Energy and the Sundering Sun. About this video article. This article is being turned into a video article in 2023 and will be included in the 2015 flashback video article playlist for posterity. While the article could be completely rewritten to better communicate some of the points within, it is being created and included the way it was written, with some minor edits, primarily to preserve it, and to convey the thought process I was going through at the time it was written, and, obviously, I had not come to the conclusions and realizations that I have now come to. This article was written before I made my two, very important videos, must-watch videos. The Sun's corona and the time dilation field. And, a new perspective and the majestic crystal cores of the cosmos. Energy and the Sundering Sun. October 26, 2015. One can look at the sun and say, see, the energy there is coming from fusion. This is completely incorrect. The sun is getting its energy from a long ago process of compression and formation. The energy we see today is from a long past occurrence, that is not in the process of fusion, it is in the process of decay. The sun is decaying. Atop this giant solid ball of iron is a thin layer of energy. We see the decay as energy released outward with an ever-increasing velocity and energy. The sun, a solid iron core with a small decay chain of elements progressively getting lighter and lighter until all that is left is light itself. Iron, as hydrogen compresses through the elements to iron, it cannot compress anymore, and depending on the pressure the iron is in, it magnetizes the sun far greater than the threshold of magnification. This magnetic occurrence occurred long ago, and the sun compressed itself into a giant ball of iron, magnetic and energetic. As this ball of iron slowly decays as it cannot escape the forces imposed upon itself, the iron slowly decays back through the base elements to hydrogen. The decay chain is the source of radiant energy from the sun. Iron, transfused from hydrogen, has absorbed exponential quantities of energy, compressed and solidified into iron. This iron, as the core itself fluctuates on the smallest of scales, decomposes and decays back to hydrogen. Iron is formed from the compression of hydrogen through the base elements to iron. While the core decompresses, that energy along with the lighter elements are released. This is the energy we see, and as these elements get lighter and lighter, they tend to want to move faster and faster. This is also why the sun's corona is so much hotter than the surface. The elements, as they get light enough and start to escape the pressure at the surface, they start to move faster and faster, and in doing so increase their energy. And in doing so they decay more as well. As they increase their energy, they decrease their weight and continue to decay. Lighter and lighter they get. The sun is not a fusion process, it is a decay process. This is true. Orion Michael Guy.